Hey, we're back with another tips and tricks. So when you receive a dimensional molding from Construction Specialties, you'll notice the ends are unfinished. So today we're going to talk about how to get those nice finish returns on your wall. So with any millwork piece, you should always make sure it is square and true. So as we're working with our Acrovyn pieces, our first cut will always be the finished side facing away from you up against the fence of the saw. So I don't have a saw with me today, but I am just going to illustrate and walk through this. So you'll put your piece up against the fence of the saw, put it at 0, give you a nice straight cut there. And then we're going to leave it in that same position, turn your saw to 45, and you're going to cut through at a 45, or if you decide to do a 30, you can do a 30 as well. But you want to make sure that your saw is hitting the very back edge of your molding so you're getting a nice clean angle there. Once you do that, you will flip your molding around so that the finished side is facing you and the unfinished side is against the fence. That piece that you just cut off is going to be your end cap piece. And you'll cut that at another, if it's at 30 or 45, you'll go ahead and cut that again. And you'll end up with a piece that looks like this. As you're making that final cut with the finished side facing you, you want to make sure that you are getting all the way through. In this example, there's a white layer. You want to get all the way through the white layer and into the finish so that when you are matching your return piece up, you have a nice seamless transition there for the wood grain. So now that we have our two pieces, we have our end return and also our linear molding, you'll go ahead and take some wood glue, put it on both sides, not a lot because we don't want that to ooze through. You'll go ahead and connect those pieces, and then the best way to hold it in place while you're waiting for the glue to dry is to just go ahead and put a piece of painter's tape on that. I'm not going to get it exact here today, but we're going to go ahead and put that tape on there as if I really had glue on and hold that in place. And when it's dried, you will have a really nice end return finish for your wall. And that's it. It's that simple.